Hi everyone, this is John from the Woodworkers Showroom and MLCS Woodworking, and I'm going to talk to you today about Milescraft. It's a brand that's been around for quite a few years, and a lot of times woodworkers turn their noses up on Milescraft. They're like, but it's actually very nice, very nicely manufactured, good functions, good features, great prices, excellent documentation, and the stuff works and works well. This is a sampling of what we sell here in the Woodworkers Showroom. A lot of the stuff is on the website. We're always adding more products. So we just wanted to show you some of our favorites, okay? So the one that we sell a lot of is this little drill press. This is really handy, especially for people like me that can't drill a straight hole. It's really fast, easy to use. It has anti-skid pads. It works great, and it's very affordably priced. The other popular items are the feather boards, the Milescraft feather boards. They have a really badass shape. They really are. And this is the double stack set, which is cool because you can double stack it or you can break them apart. It also includes all the hardware you need, quarter 20 bolts, slot adapters, all kinds of cool stuff. The other thing is if you have a little palm router, they're always kind of wobbly and wonky to use. They have a compact sub base that really is awesome, and it's sort of universal, mostly, and it works really well with all the 1 horsepower trim routers, and it's a great product. The next thing that's kind of cool is the circle guide kit. We have a couple trammels that we sell. They're a little more advanced and a little more set up, and they're more professional, but this is really a great kit, the circle guide kit, because it allows you to do small circles and big circles, but what really is the game changer is the universal base for the routers. It really is like 99.9% universal. Almost every router can fit on it, other than some really small routers, but this kit works great. We sell a ton of them in the store, and guys love it. The other thing that's really nice to have is pocket screws. So the pocket screw set, the basic one is the 200, which is really nice. It comes in a cool little case, assortment of screws, drivers, drill bits, everything you need to get started. If you just need to do pocket screws once in a while, this thing's cool. If you're doing more of a bench type operation, the 400 jig is really nice. This has really come a long way. Very nice prices, and it works well. The other thing that we like are their squares. Now we have some really cool aluminum squares that are awesome, but these are perfect because these are beaters. You can just clamp them, everything, smash them, beat them, all kinds of situations. They just work. They're very solid and strong. I love these Milescraft scribing squares. I have scribing squares that use that really small lead, and I can get about 1/2 inch before the lead breaks. These are fantastic. They have a rigid edge so you can slide it along. You can use a standard pencil. They come in 2 different sizes, and they also have a new set that's red that's really badass. They really look cool. They also can do everything on the planet with different things. There's instructions on the web. You can spend about an hour reading this thing. They do literally everything. They just don't make bread. We like this little scriber. This is a cool little scribing compass. It's got a retractable point. It can flat scribe. It's got a sharpener built in. It's got really good angles and capabilities. You can flat scribe any way you want. Very affordable, but they work, and it works great. That's Milescraft. The other thing that's kind of slick, the hinge mate. So when you have to put mortise in a hinge, pain in the butt. They have about 5 or 6 different sizes for standard hinges. Very affordable kit, comes with the router bit. Set it up, cut it, you're a professional. And that's about it. This is just an assortment. Oh, one more thing here. This new European hinge jig, this is badass. I love this thing. I've used other ones, they really work well, but boy did they think this through. It's very affordable, comes with the Forstner bit, and it is super repeatable. Really works well. A lot of my pros have gone to it, they threw their other ones away. Really cool. So stop by the store, stop by our website, check it out, and remember, we're always adding products to the website because Milescraft is always adding new products, and we're doing our best to keep up with them. Thanks so much, everyone. And remember, if you're in the Philadelphia metropolitan area, stop by and see us.